So I'm going to change my final drive gear oil. I'm going to undo this bolt with a 6mm Allen key. It will drain because this is a breather. And this is the fill cover. I'm also going to take that off. 17mm socket, 6mm Allen key. Now, the checking procedure for checking this oil is to have the motorcycle on its side stand on a level surface, and when it just drains out of here a little bit, or is at the threads, that's the perfect level. This is only torqued to 9 foot-pounds. I hope you can see, but my socket has some play, so I will not reuse this cover because the next time I don't want to have trouble getting it off. This cover is only torqued to 9 foot-pounds. Wow. Here are our part numbers. Here's our fill bolt. And this is the O-ring that goes with it. This is the part number for the drain bolt. And this is the aluminum washer that goes with that. I am using Honda's final drive oil. I bought this from the dealer. Now it is a small container of only 8 ounces, so it's the perfect size and you're not overpaying. It is ADW90 gear oil, even though it's printed SA80 on the actual housing. Apparently that's not available from Honda Canada. I placed my front tire in a wheel chock to hold my bike upright. You can put your drain plug in and fill it up at this point until it's even with the threads. Put your bike back on the side stand and the excess will drain out, and that's perfectly fine. I want to make sure there's no air bubbles, so I'm going to fill it from the bottom, put my finger over it, put my drain plug back in, and then tip it on its side, and that way I'll make sure there's no air in here. Now, I got this cap from the Honda dealer a few years ago. I don't know if they still have them. I have my drain bolt with a new washer ready to go. Okay, that's all I can get in that way. Now the torque on that lower bolt is 9 foot-pounds. I've already reset my torque wrench to it. That's perfect. Now I'm going to dump the rest in the top. I'm going to keep this cover for the next time. Now I'm going to get my bike back on the side stand. And this is how you're supposed to check your oil level on the side stand. I know it's hard to see, but the oil level is perfect there. I have my new cap with my new washer installed. 9 foot-pounds. I think when I took it off, it was more than that. Now that everything's torqued, I'm going to spray this down with a little brake clean so I can tell if I have a leak later on. Alright, we're all done, cleaned up. We'll be able to check for leaks now that we've cleaned it with some brake clean. Hope this video helps you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I have lots more motorcycle videos on my channel.